Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikella. Oh my god, it has been such a long time since I did a hair tutorial video and I am so excited. I'm just kind of reliving the moments where I used to do this years ago, and maybe I will bring this back. So if you're here today, probably you clicked the link because duh, you wanted to know what's going on, and I'm here rambling. You can skip. I'm lying. Don't skip. Please don't skip. Guys, if you're new here, I'm so happy that you're on this channel, and please stay because your girl is gonna do better. And if you're old here, thank you so much for the support over the years, from the setbacks and everything. You have been amazing and you have been supportive, and I really appreciate that. So without a further ado, I am going to get into the video with you guys, and I hope you guys shout out, comment down in the comment section if you love how it turned out, if you've tried it, if you're going to try it. Guys, this is so affordable, like $10, 120 cedis, and you can achieve this hairstyle and rock it, and it's super soft. You just need to maintain it with water and you are good to go. So we're gonna get into the video like now, and I'll see you on the other side.